Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to tell the other functions of the string. So now next one is what? Compare to. This function is used to compare two strings. Suppose first string is given here ABC. This one will store in S1. Second string is what? DOG dot. Okay, it will go in S2. Now you want to check which string is smaller, which one is bigger, or you can also check here both strings are equal or not. So three things we can do in this function. First one, both strings are equal. Second one, which string is a greater or bigger. Now you can also find out here which one is a smaller. But how will you do this one? You will write here S1 dot. S1 means what? Your first string. First string means what? Any string you can write here. Means S2 you can also write here, no problem. So the string which one you will write here, that will be called first string. Okay. Suppose I have written here S1, so means what? S1 is a first string. When you will write here S2 dot compared to S1. So that time S2 will be the first one. Clear? Here you will write the second string. Okay, it's your wish. You can use anyone as a first or second. It's not a problem. So here I have taken two strings S1 and S2. S1 dot compared to S2. Okay. So now what will go in P? Okay. So now please pay attention. Listen. First string is what? A, B, C. So computer will take the ASCII value of A. Okay. First string's first character, ASCII value computer will take. What is the ASCII value of capital A? 65. Okay. Minus. Now computer will take the second string's first character's ASCII value. Means what? D. The ASCII value of D is what? 68. Okay. Now what will be the answer here? Minus 3. Okay. This minus 3 will go in P. That's why I have written here int. So what is the value of P? Minus 3. Okay. So compare to function how it will compare. Please pay attention once again. It will take the first string's first character ASCII value. Okay, minus second string's first character ASCII value. Okay, that value will go in this variable. Okay, but don't worry about this one. If you don't know the ASCII value of others, it's not a matter. It is an internal matter of the computer. I am explaining here how it will work. Simply, the ASCII value of first minus ASCII value of second. It is an internal process of the computer. Suppose first two strings are equal. First two strings are equal. A, suppose here is A, here is also A. Then what will happen? So now computer will take the second string, second character of the string, and then again same here, second character of the second string. Again compare. Again equal, then it will go for third. If all are equal, so what will go in P? 0. Okay. If any difference between the characters of the first and second strings ASCII value, then it will go in P. As if no difference, so 0 will go. So now how will you find out the equality or smaller or greater? So look here, if value of P is what? Equals to 0, then both strings will be here equal. If P is less than 0, means first string, which one you have written here, this will be smaller than second one. If P is more than 0, means first string, means same here, which one you have written here, it bigger than the second one. So this is the working of the compare to functions. Now move on the next function. What is the name of this function? You can see here, equals. This one is another equality checking function. Means what? It is used to check equality of the string. Means what? It will check two strings are equal or not. Only simply it will check equality, not smaller and greater. So it returns the Boolean value. Okay, suppose how can you do this? Suppose two strings you have taken. First one in S, S1 equals to suppose ABC, okay, and second string S2 you have taken, it is of PQR, okay. So how will you check it here? You will write here S1 dot equals full equals, you will write here S2, then it will return P, it will go it, and then it will return the value, it will return the boolean value. So here you will write here boolean P. So P will receive only boolean value. Boolean value means what? It will return true or false. Means if both strings are equal, then equals to function will return what? True. Both are not equal, it will return false. So look here, ABC and PQ both are not equal, so it will return false. So what will be the value of P? False. Clear? Or suppose ABC here and also here, then it will return true. So value of V will be here true, but data type we will write here boolean. I think no confusion regarding to this. So now move on the next function. This one is what? Starts with. This is the next important function of the string. This one is used to check any given string is started with a particular character or string or not. Suppose your string is what? ABPQ, okay, or you want to check if this string is started with A or not. So how will you check it here? S dot starts with A. I have written in single quote, means what? A is character. So now you can see this string is started with A. So what will go in P? What will go in P? True. True, because starts with always returns the boolean value. So P will return true. Suppose P dot S dot starts with D. So now this string is not started with a D, so that's why it will return the false. Now you can also check that your string is started with a particular string or not. How can you do it here? S dot starts with, no spaces here my dear, starts with AB. So now AB is a string, so you check. So what will happen? It will return true, because your string is started with AB. And same thing you can do here, start with S dot starts with M and O. So now look here, what will go in P? False. So here will be boolean, so false will go in P. Clear? I think no confusion. Now last one is a ends with. Ends with just like the start with. Here you will check here your string is ended with a particular character string or not. So in this functions example you try to write, okay,